Hey, what is up guys, JPR Tech here, and today I got a DIY for you. I'm showing you how to fix the battery grip problems that some seem to be having with their Sony a6000. Now the Sony a6000 doesn't have a real battery grip from Sony. There are some Chinese third parties out there, and a lot of people in Google and YouTube have posted problems with batteries being incompatible or just disconnecting all of a sudden, and I also have experienced that myself. Now I did some troubleshooting myself. I just put some extra support, some padding, like for example in the door tray for the battery grip, I added some velvet there tape, and that added support in pushing the battery up against the pins well. And also I even added some padding on the front side of the grip, which helped tilt the camera back towards the connector in the back. As a side bonus, it added more stability, so now it doesn't wiggle as much like I mentioned in my review of this battery grip a while back. It actually fixed that wiggle. So that's an added bonus. So if you got one of these third-party batteries, I recommend adding some padding on the grip. That helps with the connection and stability. Yesterday I did a 2-hour recording test and it did it completely without cutting off. I still had a lot of juice left. Ever since adding these pads, now it's working fine. So hopefully if you got one of these third-party battery grips, I would recommend it. Check it out and see if that helps with your connecting issues. Yeah, why don't you guys leave down your comments, questions down below, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit a thumbs up, smash that like button, and subscribe for future reviews, DIY videos. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.